Myself Arijit Mandal. I'm from Kolkata and I work in Bangalore. Really delighted to be part of this 2-day campus immersion program at IIT Guwahati, and happy to have been enrolled as a part of the course where I got to learn a lot about the transition that I was looking at in my personal career from customer success to product management, where I got all the right kind of snippets and inputs from the best in the business out there and helped me to really nurture and get hands-on experience on what I need to do as a professional to upskill myself and reach that level. In the campus immersion program, I think it was very well managed by everyone. Everyone involved in the process was very friendly. They were very helpful, and a lot of good communication happened between not only me and the team but also the other peers who were part of the program. And it was a great opportunity to network with some of the brilliant minds, the best in the business, the professors, and the campus was very beautiful. The stay was comfortable. We got our own rooms allotted, not with a lot of difficulty, and we got to roam around the campus. It's a very picturesque place to be in. Just have an enjoyment where you really feel part of the entire setup. I would recommend that everyone should visit the campus, stay here, live through the hostel setup that they have, and enjoy their life.